We're Andrea and Silas. Come with us for a 7-day river rafting adventure through Desolation Canyon on Utah's Green River. We saw remnants of pioneer homesteads, ancient artifacts of indigenous people, had some dramatic weather events, and enjoyed some incredible hiking. Subscribe to our channel and come along for the adventure.
Getting close, 5 miles away. We're getting excited now. We're floating along here on day 1 and it's wide open and just beautiful. The temperature's quite pleasant, probably mid-90s, and the river feels great. Kind of chilling under the shade of the umbrella, and it's really awesome out here.
Due to ongoing drought conditions in the Great Basin region of the U.S., the Green River in Utah is flowing at 67% below its seasonal average.
We are at our first official riffle. We're deeming it a class -1. Beautiful morning here on the river. Got another scenic day ahead of us, I think. We're sitting here at mile 82 about right now at a cute little camp. Kind of small with little nooks up in the rocks and a beautiful little backdrop here.
I had a really good dinner, went to bed early, and woke up early having coffee by the river.
Consulting with the map here and to see what we had ahead of us.
We should be able to see some petroglyphs today at Rock House, just a couple miles downriver. Shortly after leaving camp, the wind intensified. It took us 4 hours to go just 2 miles. Gonna get a little break from rowing in the wind and go scout out some petroglyphs somewhere up this canyon. Well, we got lucky again, and we got Jack Creek Camp, the first one. It's got this nice shady grove of trees and plenty of campsites. So we're gonna start unloading and set up the kitchen and have everything ready to go when Monte gets here for him to cook dinner. Good morning. We just woke up. There are some Petroglyph's not too far from this campsite, maybe a mile downriver. Looking forward to being in the kayak today. It's been a drought year, severe drought in Utah, in the southwest in general. It's kind of a sketchy situation with our water in the west. I'm gonna go have my coffee and read the map and kind of see where we maybe want to camp later on today. Gonna see some rapids today. Just pulling over at this pullover on River Right, where there's the Mushroom Rock and some petroglyphs.
We're getting a little sprinkle here. Me and Thomas are sitting under the umbrella and it's quite nice. And the rain is just bringing out the colors in the rocks, so also, yeah. I love it. Bilingual granola, do you copy? Here, granola is here and we copy. All right, thanks for the moment of silence. It's pretty good. We got it all recorded here for us. Great, yeah, the moment of silence is great for us too. We can really hear those birds.
The hunt for petroglyphs continues. Just left those petroglyphs. I feel super grateful for Silas and his family. I feel super blessed to get to experience this river. I'm especially grateful for that guy.
Cruising along here on day 3. We're about 3.5 miles from camp and it's just absolutely beautiful out. Kind of cool with overcast skies and white puffy clouds.
Hopefully we get a really nice sunset today. The sky looks really dramatic with the storm moving in. Ooh, hoping for some rain.
Good morning. We had a wonderful little rainstorm last night and we woke up to fresh, crisp, cool morning. I don't know if you could call it cool, but it's fresh. I'll take you along for another beautiful day on the river and see what we find. Right now it's time for coffee. I see Andrea over there right now. Getting water ready. We're walking up Rock Creek to the Rock Creek petroglyphs, about 1.5 miles up here.
We found them! Well, it's time to get back to the boats. We hear the thunder rolling and the clouds are moving in. Made it back to the boats just in time for the rain. Got our umbrella up, ate some lunch, and we're the last ones to ship off from the shore. And we had just enough time to put up our tents and set up the kitchen, and then the rain came. We're just getting cozy. We got some chips that we're snacking on, and everyone's just kind of retreated for the time being. Caleb and Patty are cooking soup. Yeah, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit.
Getting a double rainbow here, folks.
Good morning.
It's day 5 and we got a bright blue sunny day with fresh breeze.
This camp was wonderful. This is Moonwater.
Everyone slept good and we're ready to row all day, and we're shooting for like 20 miles. Come along for the ride.
Well, it's early afternoon and we made it to our camp for the evening. It's not the camp we wanted. We had too many groups pass us on the river, and so this camp called Poverty was our best choice. Luckily, Monte brought a shade structure because there's absolutely no shade here. It's very hot, but we do actually have umbrellas. Also thanks to Monte. And today the name of the game is Stay Cool.
This is day 6 through Gray Canyon. Well, we're taking a short day today and gonna stop in at School Section Canyon Camp. Canyon's getting pretty cool. We're getting a pretty incredible sunrise today. back and finish the pack up to float out about 12 miles to Swayze's Bar, I guess it's called. Got about 11 miles to go to the takeout. We're just leaving school section Canyon Camp and had a phenomenal time there.
Well, we're coming to the end of our trip, and it's been wonderful.
I feel really thankful to be able to enjoy our wildlands like this. If you like this video, check out our other most recent video of a trip where we've spent 7 days on the Middle Fork of the Salmon. That was incredible too.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Cheers.